Hello, today we are looking at the Gemini Jets simulated wood stand for use with all 1/400 scale Gemini Jets models. And as you can see, it comes packaged. It's nice simple packaging here. You can see it's made up of 3 parts: the base, the stand that will hold the plane, and a screw to hold this stand to the base there. Now we move to the back. You can see it's got some information about what a Gemini Jet here is on the back. Let's have a quick look at an opened one over here. Again, you can see it's 3 parts. We have the simulated wood bottom, really nice. And this just stand bit here, just slides in like so, really easily. And then there is also a screw here, which you just screw into the bottom to hold it into place, like so. Place the screw in. Could be a little bit fiddly because it's quite a small screw. Just want to make sure the screw is properly lined up. And then you just want to screw it down. Try to make sure it is screwed further enough that it actually meets the stand. Let me just switch hands. As you can see, the screw holds this display stand nicely. So there you can see, here we have a constructed simulated wood stand by Gemini Jets. And as you can see here at the back, we have 3 display models to show the wide range of 1/400 scale models that this stand can display. Over here we have the smaller Delta Boeing 717-200. In the middle here, showing that it can also display Gemini Max planes, we have an Airbus A330 MRTT from the Royal Air Force. And over here, showing it can hold even the biggest of 1/400 scale models, we have the British Airways Airbus A380, the largest passenger airliner in the world. Now, let's start with the Boeing 717-200. As you can see underneath it, there's a little hole for a display stand there. So you want to take the display stand and line it up and place it gently onto the stand. And like that, really easy to display. Really nice stand, showing a nice in-flight Boeing 717-200, showing the smaller sized Gemini Jets on display really nicely. Looking really nice. You can angle it however you want if you wanted to. Angle it one way or the other. Let's a quick look at it all the way around. Looking really, really nice. Now let's move up to a slightly larger model in a more medium-sized range. We have the Royal Air Force Airbus A330 MRTT, showing that Gemini Max also can be displayed on these display stands. So once again, a little hole for the stand, just place it on quite gently. And once again, there you have it, looking really nice on this nice simulated wood stand. So again, it's in in-flight mode, looking like it's taking off, flying through the air rather than just being on the ground. Again, looking really nice. You can see all the details whilst on its nice display stand. So again, that's one look all the way around. Now let's move up to the biggest we've got here, with that being the British Airways Airbus A380. Absolutely massive compared to the smaller Boeing 717, but the display stand will carry it just the same. As you can see, we've got a nice little hole for the stand there. I'll take it, place it on nice and gently, and as you can see, it holds it just the same as it did all the others, looking really nice. And this is a great stand for showing off your aviation collection in superb detail, looking really good. Really lets you see. Also helps you see the landing gear much easier than having it just on the ground, so you can see them as well much clearer. So overall, it is a really nice display stand, capable of holding all Gemini 1/400 scale models, from the Gemini Jets to the Gemini Max range. So overall, it's a really nice display stand, great for showing off your aviation collection, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.